Stellar's lineup of fuel and lube products keep equipment on the go through on-site fueling and maintenance.
Stellar offers the whole range of lube equipment when it comes to mobile field service. We have our lube skids, our lube trailers, and our lube truck. What you're looking for when you're trying to compare one product to the other is how much fluid do you need to be able to carry with you when you're performing services. So a small amount, you're looking more at like the skid mounted for a truck. The next step would be a trailer, which would be under 1,000 gallons of total fluid. And then if you needed more than 1,000 gallons, you would want to consider going up to a lube truck.
Options for our customers include as small as under CDL, all lubrication trucks with no fuel, all the way up to, as you see here, the larger tandem axle fuel and lube truck. The ideal industry for the fuel and lube truck is any industry that requires mobile maintenance being done out in the field where it doesn't make sense to take the machine to the shop for regular maintenance and or oil change.
Behind me here is our LM725 lube trailer. This product has 4 100-gallon fresh oil tanks, 1 250-gallon waste oil tank, a 75-gallon antifreeze tank, and it also has the capabilities of carrying a 120-pound grease kit powered by a compressor generator. All of our lube products have a wide range of capabilities when it comes to the type of fluid that you carry, whether it's fresh oil, waste oil, antifreeze, diesel, DEF, and gear oil, all very common uses for our products.
To find the right on-site fuel and lube solution for your needs, visit StellarIndustries.com.